Welcome to National Lift Equipment, your #1 source for used construction equipment. Since our founding in 1990, National Lift Equipment has led the market as the #1 supplier of used construction equipment with thousands of satisfied customers. As the oldest and one of the largest used equipment suppliers in all of North America, National Lift works hard to acquire and sell surplus equipment at extremely competitive prices. But we are a lot more than just good prices. We deliver exceptional customer service, offer fast deliveries, stock reliable equipment, and share our wealth of equipment knowledge. Whatever the equipment it is you need for the job, it's almost a guarantee that we have it or have the ability to get it through our exclusive connections nationwide. Our vast inventory includes telehandlers, boom lifts, spider lifts, scissor lifts, towable boom lifts, push-arounds, straight mast forklifts, service vehicles, compressors, excavators, skid steer loaders, and so much more. Our real specialization is with aerial lifts and telehandlers. We'd be surprised if you couldn't find a make, model, or manufacturer of one of these pieces of equipment that we can't get our hands on right now. That's how serious we take construction equipment. And not only do we have a large variety when it comes to the type of equipment, we are extremely diversified when it comes to the manufacturers. We know that just because JLG is a leading brand doesn't mean everyone loves them. So we keep enough manufacturers stocked so that everyone can have access to the brands they prefer and trust. Some of our best-selling brands include JLG, Genie, Caterpillar, Lowe, Skytrack, Skyjack, Billjack, Snorkel, Carelift, Case, Kubota, John Deere, Terex, Gell, Greatall, Ingersoll Rand, and JCB. Now that's a lot of brands already, but it's still only the tip of the iceberg. If it's reliable used construction equipment you're looking for, then you can bet that we have it or can get it. What happens if you cannot find exactly what you are looking for in our inventory? No problem. You have two options depending on your urgency. If you need the equipment in a hurry, then you can simply contact us via email or phone, and we will find what you're looking for as fast as possible. We know all of the best sources of the best used construction equipment and can usually find specific machines very quickly at prices lower than the competition. If you are not in a hurry, then your second option is to register on our website and set up a National Lift alert. You just fill out some information about the equipment you are looking for, and then, as soon as something comes into our inventory that meets your criteria, we will notify you. You can set up as many alerts as you like, as new equipment is being added around the clock. Need financing? We've got you covered. At National Lift Equipment, we've teamed up with some of the best finance companies in the industry. If they can't get you financed, odds are no one can. Our finance companies deal in used construction equipment sales. They offer quick turnaround and great monthly terms at competitive pricing to help you get the equipment you need on the job fast. National Lift Equipment is also a freight specialist with more than 15 years of experience. So whether you need our equipment shipped to you or your equipment shipped somewhere else, we can definitely help you with that. Our equipment and freight shipping is available wherever you're located, whether that's the United States, Canada, South America, or on the other side of the world. Our headquarters is in Bristol, Pennsylvania, but our service is available worldwide. Need your equipment shipped fast? No worries. You can request a free quote for your freight shipment with a quick call to our office and provide the information over the phone. We'll get your load shipped quick at some of the most competitive pricing on the market. Finally, if you're hesitant about purchasing used construction equipment, ask us about our NLE Assured Extended Warranty. With the NLE Assured Extended Warranty, there's no risk involved when you buy from us. Few companies offer such a program that covers so much. For over 25 years, National Lift Equipment has made it a priority to look out for our customers while saving their bottom line. We've got you covered from finding the right machine at the right price to getting it to your job site, ready to work for you fast. Give us a call today to find out we're a proven leader in the used construction equipment marketplace.